Multiple choice questions MCQ on ancient Indian history for general studies. Let's start. Which of the following are correctly matched? River, Rig Vedic age name. Jhilam, Batista, Chenab, Askini, Suez, Parushini. Select the correct option from the codes given below. Correct option is B. Question number 2. At which of the following Harappan sites an ink pot has been discovered? A. Harappa, B. Lothal, C. Kalibangan, D. Chandhauri. Correct option is D. Question number 3. The last ruler of the Mauryan dynasty who was assassinated by Pushyamitra Shunga. His commander-in-chief was A. Bindusar, B. Chandragupta, C. Brihadrata, D. Ashokavardhan. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. Who among the following was the founder of Pushyavati dynasty? A. Pushyavati, B. Prabhakar Vardhan, C. Aditya Vardhan, D. Harshavardhan. Correct answer is Pushyavati. Question number 5. Who was written Kalpasutra? A. Haribhadra, B. Bhadrabahu, C. Sudharma Swami, D. Nemichandra. Correct answer is Bhadrabahu. Question number 6. Ajodhya temples are located on the banks of which of the following rivers? A. Saraju, A. Saraju, B. Ganga, C. Jamuna, D. Gomati. Correct answer is Saraju. Question number 7. Which of the following kings founded the Shunga Empire? A. Pushyamitra Shunga, B. Ognimitra, C. Bhagabhadra, D. Devabhuti. Correct answer is Pushyamitra Shunga. Question number 8. Which of the following Gupta king claimed the title of Maharaja Dhiraj? A. Maharaja Ghatotkacha, B. Chandragupta I, C. Chandragupta II, D. Samudragupta. Correct answer is B. Chandragupta I. Question number 9. Which of the following has been used in the sculpture of Mathura School of Art? A. Red sandstone, B. Marble, C. Granite, D. Clay. Correct answer is A. Red sandstone. Question number 10. Who among the following was the 23rd Jain Tirthankar? A. Neminatha, B. Mahavira, C. Parshvanath, C. D. Melinath. Correct answer is Parshvanath. Question number 11. The construction of the Delhi Iron Pillar, now located at the Qutbul Islam Mosque in New Delhi, was constructed in which period? A. Maurya, B. Satvahan, C. Gupta, D. Kushan. Correct answer is C. Gupta. Question number 12. Which of the following was the 23rd Tirthankar? A. Abhinandan Nath, B. Subhidhanath, C. Aristhanemi, D. Parshvanath. Correct answer is D. Parshvanath. Question number 13. Which of the following Buddhist scholars wrote the Buddhacharita? A. Bosumitra, B. Ashwaghosh, C. Charok, D. Nagarjuna. Correct answer is B. Ashwaghosh. Question number 14. In which of the following inscriptions Ashoka made his famous declaration, "All men are my children"? A. Minor Rock Edict, B. Pillar Edict 7, C. Lumbini Pillar Edict, D. Separate Kalinga Rock Edict 1. Correct answer is Separate Kalinga Rock Edict 1. Question number 15. Which among the following is not one of the realms of being as stated by Buddhism? A. Bodhisattva, B. Asura, C. Prani, D. Preta. Correct answer is C. Prani. Question number 16. Which among the following Buddhist canon is related to deal with rules of monks and nuns? A. Vinaya Pitaka, B. Sutta Pitaka, C. Abhidharma Pitaka, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Vinaya Pitaka. Question number 17. Which of the following articles formed in an important item of export to the Roman Empire in post-modern times? A. Iron, B. Gold, C. Wine, D. Pottery. Correct answer is A. Iron. Question number 18. As per Ashoka's inscriptions, which among the following place was declared tax-free and proclaimed only 1/8th part of taxable? Kushinagar, Lumbini, Kathmandu, Sarnath. Correct answer is B. Lumbini. Question number 19. Robert Bruce Foote, who discovered first Paleolithic tools in India, was originally paleobotanist, geologist, archaeologist, historian. Correct answer is B. Geologist. Which of the following events happened in AD era? A. First Buddhist Council, Second Buddhist Council, coronation of Bidusara, D. Beginning of Shaka era. Correct answer is D. Beginning of Shaka era. Question number 21. What was name given to the republican states in ancient India which had a federal characteristic? A. Kingdoms, B. Nizamas, C. Janapads, D. Sangha. Correct answer is C. Janapad. Question number 22. Which of the following languages was used in Kanishka's coin and inscriptions? A. Pali, B. Prakrit, C. Bactrian language, C. Sanskrit. Correct answer C. Bactrian language. 23. Which of the following Chinese rules built The Great Wall of China. A. Panchao. B. Puyi. C. Wang Suci. D. Queen Shi Hungav. Correct answer is D. Question number 24. Which Ashokan inscription elaborates the policy of Dharma? A. Major Rock Edict 9, Major Rock Edict 11, Major Rock Edict 12, Major Rock Edict 10. Correct answer is B. Major Rock Edict 11. 25. Which among the following is not correctly matched? Wife of Prophet Muhammad, Khadija. Daughter of Prophet Muhammad, Fatima. Place where Prophet Muhammad buried, Makkah. All are correct. Correct answer is C. 26. Who among the following was the author of Abhidhamma Treatise Kattavatu? A. Maha Kashyapa, Mahinda, Milinda, Mogaliputta Tisha. Correct answer is D. 27. Every 5 years, Harshavardhana used to donate all his possessions at an assembly at which among the following places? A. Ujjain, Banaras, Prayag, Kanauj. Correct answer is C. Prayag. 28. The phrase Satyameva Jayate is mentioned in which of the following Upanishads? Chandogaya Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Mandukaya Upanishad, none of these. Correct answer is C. Mandukaya Upanishad. 29. Pranadatta was appointed the provincial governor of Shurashastra by Chandragupta Maurya, Rudradaman, Chandragupta II, Skandagupta. Correct answer is D. Skandagupta. 30. On which of the following system of Hindu philosophy Shankaracharya wrote commentary in 19th century AD? A. Chanakya, B. Vaisheshika, C. Yoga, D. Uttaramanasa. Correct answer is D. Which of the following forms of arts flourished in the post-Mauryan period? A. Ivory work, glass manufacture, bed cutting. Select the correct option from the code given below. A. Only 1 and 2, B. Only 2 and 3, C. Only 1 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. 32. Which of the following doctrine is added by Jainism? Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya, Brahmacharya. Correct answer is D. Brahmacharya. 33. Which among the following places has given the earliest evidence of agriculture in India subcontinent? A. Brahmagiri, B. Chirand, C. Mehergarh, D. Burjahom. Correct answer is C. Mehergarh. 34. Which Shaka ruler was responsible for important irrigation work in Saurashtra? Rudradaman, Moga, Aegis, Nahapana. Correct answer is A. Rudradaman. 35. Who among the following erected Gangaikonda Cholampuram? Rajendra Chola 1, Mahendra Varman 1, Gonka 1. Correct answer is B. Rajendra Chola 1. 36. Which of the following site is known for cave painting of Mesolithic age? Dholavira, Ellora, Bhimbetka, Swan Valley. Correct answer is C. Bhimbetka. 37. Buddha attained Parinibbana at which age? I am repeating this question. 37. Buddha attained Parinibbana at which age? 70, 75, 80, 85. Correct answer is C. 80. Which of the following ruled through Kshatrapas, means governors, Mahasutrapatas, subordinate rules? Indo-Greeks, Shakas, Kushans, none of these. Correct answer is B. Shakas. In which of the following Buddhist councils the compilation of Dhamma, Pitaka and Sutta Pitaka took place? First, second, third and fourth. Correct answer is first. That is A. 40. Which of the following is concerned with Vedic sacrifices that requires 3 or more fires? Shatrusastra, Grihastra, Dharmastutra, none of the above. Correct answer is A. Shatrusastra. Partha was name of which of the following character in Mahabharata? Arjun, Bhim, Krishna, Yudhishthir. Correct answer is A. Arjun. 42. During the later Vedic age, collection of taxes and tributes was done by which of the following? Sangrihitri, Senani, Kulapati, Grahapati. Correct answer is A. 43. Which among the following kings was also known as Mamalan, great wrestler? Pulokeshi 2, Mahendra Varman 1, Narasimha Varman 1, none of the above. Correct answer is C. Narasimha Varman 1. 44. What was used normally in the constitution of royal houses during Maurya period? A. Wood, mud and lime, burnt bricks, none of the above. Correct answer is wood. 45. The Scythian attacked Bactria and entered the Indian subcontinent through which of the following passes? Gomal Pass, Bolan Pass, Khyber Pass, none of the above. Correct answer is B. Bolan Pass. 46. Which of the following are the famous temples of Gupta Empire? Mukundadara Temple, Kota, Dasavatar Temple, Jhansi, Vishnu Temple, Tigua, all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. 47. Which of the following is identical with the Andharas of the Puranas? Satavahansa, Shuangas, Canvas, Kushans. Correct answer is A. Satavahansa. Sadvahanas. 48. Which of the following passes was used by Shakas to come to India? Bolan Pass, Nathula Pass, Shipkila Pass, Baralachala Pass. Correct answer is A. Bolan Pass. 49. Which among the following were the scholars in the court of Kanishka I? Boshumitra, Ashwaghosh and Patshava, Nagarjuna, Charoka and Maharatha. C. Charaka, Boshumitra and Ashwaghosh. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. 50. Which of the following was the official language of the Sadhvanas? Sanskrit, Prakrit, Persian, Pali. Correct answer is B. Prakrit. That is the end question. Thank you.